Want to make money online without learning complicated design software? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to start an AI-powered graphic design side hustle in 2025 using free tools like Canva AI and MidJourney. You don't need to be a designer. AI will do most of the heavy lifting. Let's get started. Clients pay for logos, YouTube thumbnails, social media graphics, posters, book covers, Etsy digital downloads. Decide if you want to sell on freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork or marketplaces like Etsy and Creative Fabrica. Canva AI. Generate social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, flyers. MidJourney. Create unique illustrations and concept art. Show example. Prompt futuristic neon logo for a tech startup. Export designs in high resolution, JPG or PNG, under 2 MB for Etsy and Fiverr. On Fiverr, create gigs like, I will design unique AI-generated logos and social media graphics. On Etsy, sell ready-to-use products like wall art, digital planners, or social templates. Add multiple mockups, makes your listing look professional. First things first, we need to decide what we're going to sell. Don't worry, you don't have to pick just one. The beauty of this method is you can sell dozens of different things at once. Find services that are in high demand and super fast to create with AI. Logos for new businesses, YouTube thumbnails for creators who want more clicks, social media graphics for brands trying to get noticed, posters for events, flyers for events, book covers for authors. Option 1, freelance platforms, Fiverr, Upwork. Clients come with specific requests. You use AI to fulfill orders in minutes. Option 2, marketplaces, Etsy, Creative Fabrica. Sell pre-made digital downloads, printable wall art, social media templates. Passive income. Create once, sell many times. Start with one platform to keep it simple. Pick one platform and focus. That's the fastest path to seeing that payment notification on your phone. This is where the magic happens. We're going to use two of the most powerful AI tools on the planet in 2025. Canva AI MidJourney. These are your secret weapons. Canva AI is perfect for things that need text and structure. Social media posts, thumbnails, flyers. It's incredibly user-friendly and has a massive library of templates you can start with. Pick a template, tell the AI to write some catchy text for you, change the colors, and you're done. You can literally create 10 professional social media posts in under 5 minutes. It's that fast. For more artistic and unique images, we use MidJourney. This tool is an absolute beast for creating logos, illustrations, mind-blowing art from nothing but a text prompt. You just type what you want to see, and the AI generates 4 incredible options for you in about 60 seconds. The key is knowing what to type. You have to be specific and use descriptive words. Let's try a real example right now. Imagine a client wants a logo for their new tech company. Instead of spending days drawing, you just go to MidJourney and type this exact prompt. Futuristic neon logo for a tech startup. Glowing blue and pink, minimalist, vector, on a black background. Boom. The AI will spit out 4 stunning, professional-looking logos. Once you have a design you love, you need to export it correctly. Creating the design is only half the battle. Now we have to package it so people are begging to buy it. This is all about presentation. On a platform like Fiverr, you need to create an irresistible offer, which they call a gig. Your gig title needs to be super clear and grab attention. Don't just say, I will design a logo. Say something amazing like, I will design a unique AI-generated logo for your brand in 24 hours. Next, you need to create tiered packages. Your basic package could be one logo concept. Standard. The standard package could offer 2 concepts, transparent PNG file. Premium. And the premium package could be the ultimate deal. 3 logo concepts, all the source files, social media profile pictures, extra fast delivery. This makes customers feel like they are getting an incredible value by choosing the higher-priced option. If you're selling on Etsy, mockups are your best friend. A mockup is a picture that shows your design in a real-world setting. Don't just post a flat image of your poster design. Use a mockup to show it hanging in a beautiful living room or a modern office. This helps the buyer imagine it in their own space and makes them way more likely to buy. You can find thousands of professional mock-up templates on Canva or other sites. This one step will make your Etsy shop look 1,000,000 times more professional than your competition. Okay, you've got your amazing designs and your killer listings. Now, how do we get people to actually see them? The secret is search engine optimization, or SEO. It sounds complicated, but it's actually super simple. It just means using the right words in your titles and tags so that when people search, your listing pops up first. We want to be on the first page. Nobody ever clicks to page 2. Your title is the most important part. Think like a customer. What would they type? Bad title, cool poster, cyberpunk cityscape wall art, neon Tokyo print, futuristic AI art, digital download for office decor, packed with real keywords. It covers style, subject, product type, potential use. Next up, tags. Both Fiverr and Etsy give you tag slots. Use every single tag slot. Don't be lazy. Think of every possible related word or phrase. AI logo, logo design, business logo, minimalist logo, tech logo, startup logo, YouTube logo, gaming logo, custom logo, modern logo. Brainstorm a huge list and fill every spot. This tells the platform, show my gig to anyone searching these words. Finally, an amazing thumbnail. It's the first thing people see while scrolling. Make it bright, clear, and obvious. Getting your first few sales is an amazing feeling. But what happens when you start getting 10 orders a day, 20 orders a day, 50 orders a day? This is a good problem to have, and it's time to scale up your operation. The first step is to reinvest some of your profits back into your tools. Upgrade to Canva Pro. Upgrade to MidJourney paid plan. You get unlimited access, higher quality exports, more features, commercial licenses. Don't be cheap. These tools make you money. Orders keep rolling in. You'll run out of time. You can't do everything yourself forever. Next step, build a team. Hire a virtual assistant on Upwork. VA handles customer service, answers messages, organizes files. That frees you to create amazing designs. Hire and train another designer to use your AI prompts. This turns your side hustle into an automated business that earns while you sleep. Ultimate goal, build your own brand. Don't rely on Fiverr. Don't rely on Etsy. Create your own portfolio website. Use a simple builder like Card or Squarespace to build it in an afternoon. This website is your online headquarters. Showcase your best work, collect client testimonials, take direct orders. Direct clients = no platform fees = keep 100% profit. Go from $30 an order to $300 an order. Pour gasoline on the fire. Start creating content. Start a TikTok. Start an Instagram showing your design process. Make short videos. Show the prompt, show the AI image. People love behind-the-scenes content. These videos can go viral and drive traffic to your Etsy shop, your Fiverr gigs, your personal website for free. Combine great service, smart scaling, and content marketing. You can build a 6-figure AI design empire from scratch. We've covered everything. You now have the complete blueprint to build a graphic design side hustle using AI in 2025. We talked about what services to sell, how to use Canva, how to use MidJourney to create incredible designs, how to package them on Fiverr, how to package them on Etsy to get sales. We even covered the secret SEO hacks to get discovered, and the strategies to scale your business into an empire. You literally have more information than I did when I first started. The only thing left to do is to actually do it. So here is my challenge to you. I challenge you to make your first dollar online in the next 24 hours. That's it, just $1. Don't overthink it. Don't try to make everything perfect. Open up Canva right now, find a cool template for a social media post, change the text, and list it on Etsy as a digital download for $1. Now go get that first dollar. Good luck!